So today we're going to talk about linear and exponential growth. The cost of tuition for a college university is growing at a rate of 5% every year. The cost of tuition in 2004 was $4,700. The University of the College's tuition is growing by $100 every year. The cost in 2004 was $4,000. Now we need to write a now-next equation. What is a now-next equation? So, next would be the next number, and now is the starting number. So, what do you have to do to now to get to the next? For college university, the start is $4,700. The start for University of the Colleges is $4,000. For CU, next equals 4,700, which is the start, times, and since the rate of growth is 5% every year, and 5% converted to a decimal is 0.05, you can't do that though, because any number less than 1 will be a declining ratio. So, add a 1 to the front, and then 0.5. So the equation for college university would be next equals 4,700, which is the now, times 1.05. The equation for University of the Colleges would be next equals 4,000, which is the start value, also the now value, plus actually $100, because it only goes up by 100 every time, and that's your equation. Now we're going to make explicit equations for both problems. Since college university is an exponential growth, its equation is y equals a times b to the x power. A equals the starting value, which would be $4,700, and b equals the common ratio, which is 5%, or 1.05. X represents the year that you are trying to find the y value of. So the equation for college university would be y equals 4,700 times 1.05 to the x. Since the University of the Colleges is a linear growth, the equation is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the start value. So, the equation for University of the Colleges is y equals 100x plus 4,000. These are the graphs for both colleges. As you can see, since college university is exponential, you can see a slight curve, but University of the Colleges is straight because it's linear. So now we're going to find the cost of each college's tuition in 15 years. So 2004 plus 15 years will be 2019. So college university would be y equals 4,700 times 1.05 to the 15th. Pause the video and then come back in a second after you have the answer. If you got $9,770.96, you are correct. If you recall, University of the College's tuition equation was y equals 100 times 15 plus 100. Pause the video and check back once you have the answer. The correct answer was $5,500. The last question is, in what year will each tuition double? So what you're going to want to do to find college university is go to y equals on your calculator and type in for y1 4,700 times 1.05 to the x and hit enter. Then by going to second graph, scroll down to where it has x is 14. Since $4,700 times 2 would be $9,400. It would be between 14 and 15 years, which is between 2018 and 2019, and that would be your answer. For finding University of the Colleges, you actually wouldn't need to use a calculator. So the equation would be 8,000 equals 100x plus 4,000. Then you would subtract 4,000 from each side, which would be 4,000.
Go faster.
So divided by 100, 4,000 divided by 100 would be 40. So 40 years plus 2004
And apparently I did something wrong, but I'm trying to
would be 2044. And that's all. Thanks for listening.